Half day lang mga kids today. Mangita naman tayo isang kalanon para sa ila. Ano naman at sumpay tao ng kanon naman. So, mambukas na sa aparador. Oh, wow, timing. Get nga. Luto na ito baba na. Oh, humuk-humuk na siya. Oh, ari hilaw pa. Timing luto na ito baba na. So, ari ka dito. Dami. So, amo na ni pamahaw. Gang! Ari oh? Okay ka na eh? Ha? Okay. Ikaw kahit ka ni Kai? Git ka na eh? Yummy na siya. Diba? Namit niya siya guys. As in. Baba na. Baba na. Baba na. So, ari natin baba na. Gang! Tadwa! Mapit gang! It's it now.
Can't believe that we were friends.
Oh, wow guys. Ta-da! This is super healthy, di ba?
Psalm 89.
Anti-cancer.
Let's go shopping.
In the JC Cup.
Wait. Hey guys.
Namit na?
You really want to trust me?
Dada, buko paper!
Look at
Dada,
this.
buko paper money, dada! Dada, buko paper money!
Don't act
Di
clueless.
alin?
This is crazy.
Di alin?
Nanay,
I don't even want to hear a word from her.
buha ka 500!
Please
Dawa
don't
siya ko ng money guys oh. Dawa ko ng 500. Hindi ka na?
Ano, ipilpil?
You should know call me.
Mag-isa ka 20!
Dawa 500 sa 20.
I trust someone like Sophie.
Isa ka 50!
And release all of those sounds that are
Ay, duha gali ka 50!
Okay.
Isa ka 100!
all of those
Wow.
sounds that are trapped in your mind.
Sa 100 kayo Kai? Damo ka man money Kai.
1,000!
May 1,000 si Mikay ba? May 1,000 naman si Mikay.
Yun ba, lupukin na may akon. Tanan na kon.
Ah.
Lutay nun.
Not this time. Go, they're not allowed.
Go, pick up.
Tutte basta, they have to go together.
Amo lang kita na nag...
I think this will be a proof. You were so close.
Ba?
Wait a second. You made this scarpetta.
Masailan ka dito ya.
Gang. Dami ka lang ba?
I hope and take your lunch. Chick-fil-A nuggets.
Thank you.
Should we see how many?
Yeah. Up, down, thank you, Mom.
Grabe, namit kayo.
Baby, let's take your lunch.
Namit kayo guys.
Ice pack. Hey, I have something new. Chick-fil-A nuggets.
For that lifted weights.
Nalagyan sa buhawi guys. Gabi. Para mga damo pa lang tiga na sa tiga. Solve namon nga merienda. Pamanan tayo ng saging.